If all of your leads are in WhatsApp, in email, in spreadsheets, and in different social platforms, you don't actually need more tools. What you need is one calm place that all of your leads can live. Let's go and take a look. Okay, have a look at this business. So we've got some TikTok ads running over here. We've got a website form over here. We've got some WhatsApp groups and ads running over here. We've got a lead magnet coming from a landing page. We've got LinkedIn forms over here. This is from organic and for ads running. We've got Facebook forms over here. We've got calls. So if somebody calls a business, the leads can come in here. This team does not need to guess where their leads are actually, because we are now tracking all of these leads into one calm place. Let's have a look at our opportunities tab. So we can see here's all of our leads that have come in recently, and each one of these we can see the opportunity source. TikTok, phone call. This is the agent on the website, the live AI agent. Here we go, WhatsApp group. This is from a landing page. Here's from our LinkedIn ads. Here's an in-person. This person walked into a brick and mortar shop and actually made an inquiry. So it doesn't matter where they came from. They are all landing into one single dashboard. Now, the owner of this business can answer 3 questions in 30 seconds. How many leads came in? Where did they come from? And what's actually happening with each one of these leads?